Pepe, yo...
Te dije que era de Darth Vader, tío.
Tío, me dijiste que era Halloween.
Darth Vader, tío, la camisa, mira cómo es.
La camisa sí. Siempre me está llevando a la contra. Bien, y aquí estamos como cada semana.
Como cada semana repitiendo lo mismo,
Ya,
tío.
Es la entradilla, tío, no me sale otra
Joder,
cosa.
macho, no hay manera. Desastre.
Pues acabamos de venir de Las Vegas y estuvimos allí en el Wispapalooza, que he estado todos los vídeos diciendo Wispapalooza.
Palusa, que bueno. He
Wispapalooza.
intentado hacer algo de magia con el editor, pero en fin.
Pero en fin. Y hemos visto al CEO de RF Elements, que nos ha atendido fantásticamente y nos ha presentado una novedad mundial, que es el Inspot.
El Inspot, que de hecho toda la información que hay disponible la vas a sacar de este vídeo, porque no hay nada en internet, no hay ninguna información, no hay datasheet, no hay prácticamente lo que te vamos a mostrar hoy aquí.
Un coming soon de verdad, y es tan exclusivo y tan novedoso,
Nuevo, sí.
novedoso, que como te hicimos ya con el Simper en
El
su
Simper,
momento,
exactamente, sí.
pues te lo vamos a mostrar aquí. Vas a ver el equipo, qué características tiene, un poco a modo de resumen en qué consiste.
Lo que tienes es que es un punto de acceso que va a ser muy económico, según palabras de Juraj Taptič, que bueno, nos lo presentó y lo pudimos ver delante de nosotros. Muy sencillo de configurar, de hecho se hace a través de un smartphone, con una aplicación que estará disponible para descargar, supongo, en algún momento ya. Y bueno, es que no sé, es que es tan sencillo que yo creo que es preferible casi que vean el vídeo, ¿no?
Pues sí, pues aquí te lo mostramos. Adelante el vídeo. Here we are at Wispapalooza with Mr. Juraj from RF Elements, and I will ask you about news from RF Elements. We know that the Simper is out, selling in this moment, but what else?
Yeah, okay, so we show here the products you saw last year as a prototypes. Now these are real production samples or production units. So we sell them, we ship them. Twist port based products, symmetrical horn antennas, adapters for third-party radios, and dish antennas, twist port dish antennas. The radios will be shipped next year, right? The Simper radios, our own radio. What we show new here is cloud managed Wi-Fi, right? So we have a roll-up display here. Basically, what we introduced here is our new strategy in how we will implement cloud into our basically across of all our products. So it's not only Wi-Fi, which is the first product, but basically what we introduced here is the strategy that all of our wireless products will be cloud-based, so cloud-controlled.
It seems very interesting. And is it ready? Have you got any sample?
I have a real product here. Just give me a second. Give me a second. I will.
Here we are with the real sample of this new product.
This is actually production unit. This one is what we introduced here. It's called Inspot.
Inspot.
Yeah, it's very simplistic product, and it's managed by a mobile app. It's basically managed by a cloud and controlled via mobile application. So you have very simple way how to set up a Wi-Fi network in your home and grow it, scale it as you need, right? So this is the Wi-Fi for regular people. It does not require you to know anything about networking.
It's not complex. You
It's not
to use NAT or something.
Opposites to complex,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Right. Also, the design is created to be really not attracting attention, but once you take a look on it, it should be nice, right?
Exactly. It's a modern that you can put in your home without seeing nothing strange.
Yes.
And it's a very good design.
Yes. So also for example, this part on the connectors, from the top view, you don't recognize there are connectors, right? So That's a specific of our design, so it should be really 360 degrees. This is a QR code which you use for adding your new device into your network, into your cloud, right?
Very interesting.
So the idea is, instead of having one big complex piece of equipment which will not cover all your apartment or your house or small office, right? Instead of that, use more of these and create with a lower power, lower gain or power on Inspots, but create a better coverage across the indoor space.
Instead of having one for all the house, maybe you have some place you don't have internet.
Yeah. Typical mistake.
Put whenever you need.
Typical mistake,
power.
absolutely. Typical mistake people or users do. If this does not work, they take a bigger hammer. That means they take a stronger AP, and then they are surprised it does not work as they expected, because you cannot cheat physics. So this is not the right approach. The approach is to have a less power, but on more sources, right?
More selective.
Yeah.
The areas that you need to have coverage.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is easy to work with. You can control many of those Inspots as one, so they appear as one network. You don't have to. There is zero configuration basically. You just add it and it's done, right?
That's a great idea. And what about the price? More or less.
This is the first one. It is the Inspot for home, basically for a personal use or small office use, and we will start at about $40.
Wow.
Right.
Very good.
And the next year we will also introduce an enterprise units. The idea is they will look the same. And if it's needed more space, they will be just bigger, but they will look the same.
Bien, como habrás podido comprobar, te hemos presentado una novedad mega mundial que todavía está
Coming soon.
Pero
lo hemos tenido en las manos, calentito.
En las manos, exactamente. Y nos lo ha presentado pues su CEO, Juraj Taptič, que ha sido súper amable, nos ha tratado genial, y estas slides y el pequeño vídeo introductorio y todo nos lo ha pasado en exclusiva para nosotros. Y la próxima semana nos vamos a ver también con nuestro amigo Martín Valek.
Y es la próxima semana ya,
La próxima semana.
Qué rápido pasa el tiempo.
No,
pues lo veremos en Granada, en la feria en Acutel. Vamos a repetir ya, segundo año consecutivo en esta feria. Y bueno, pues esperamos a ver si nos llevamos alguna camiseta más.
Alguna camiseta, y lo mismo nos traemos o no
un
el aparato.
Bueno,
como no podemos decir las cosas que nos traemos.
No diciendo que no.
Bueno, ahí lo dejamos. Pues nada, pues hasta el próximo Tecnovídeo.
Ahora sí. Hasta luego.
Chao, hasta luego.
Double 2XL.
Oh, this is mine.
2XL.
2XL. Thank you very much.
And
This one.
for you?
L,
No,
M.
for me, sí, it's small or medium, I don't know. Esta es L. L? You don't have medium?
No, only
L.
L.
Engorda un poco.
Yes,
You have to
I
eat
need
more.
to eat more.
No, or wash it in a cold water and it will shrink.
Thank you.
Menos mal que estaban los cojines. Me pego una hostia que te...
A ver si sale bien.